In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a Mailchimp sign-up form. We'll start right from your Mailchimp account so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to Mailchimp.com. Once you're in, look for the main navigation along the top and choose Audience. This is where all of your contacts live, and it's also where Mailchimp keeps the tools for your sign-up forms and messages. Next, go into the Audience dashboard. This gives you a quick overview and confirms you're working in the correct audience, which matters if you manage more than one. From here, find the Manage Audience menu. It's usually a small drop-down on the right side of the dashboard. Click it to reveal more options, then choose Sign-up Forms. This takes you to the page where Mailchimp groups all the ways people can subscribe. On the Sign-up Forms page, select Form Builder. The Form Builder is a powerful editor that lets you design your sign-up form and the related response emails like the confirmation and success messages your subscribers will see. Once the builder loads, look for the Translate It option. It may appear as a link or a tab within the builder interface. Click it to open Mailchimp's translation settings for your form and messages. Inside this area, you'll see the option to enable auto-translate. Turning this on allows Mailchimp to detect a visitor's browser language and automatically display system messages in that language. This is great for forms viewed by an international audience and helps remove friction during sign-up. Keep in mind that auto-translate covers Mailchimp's default system text. If you've added custom labels, disclaimers, or helper text, you may want to review those separately in the builder to make sure they read naturally in your chosen language. You can also set a default language. This is the fallback language for anyone whose browser language can't be detected or isn't supported. Pick the language your audience is most likely to use. If you work with right-to-left languages or languages with special characters, give your form a quick visual check to ensure spacing and alignment look good. Mailchimp typically saves changes as you go, but if you see a Save button, click it to lock everything in. For peace of mind, copy the public form URL and open it in a private or incognito window to preview how the translation appears for new visitors. That's it. You went to Audience, opened the Audience dashboard, used Manage Audience to reach sign-up forms, opened the Form Builder, clicked Translate It, enabled auto-translate, and set your default language. Your Mailchimp sign-up form is now ready for multilingual subscribers.